Ever wondered what a kill flash is? Well, if you ever look at any of your optics, I'll be on a pistol or a carbine or anything else for that matter, and it has a reflective coating like that, there is something called a kill flash, which is designed to do exactly that. Reduce glare, reduce your flash downrange, so that way if you were trying to obscure either your position from, let's say you were hunting, or maybe in other scenarios, and or maybe you just wanted to protect the glass. And so we're actually doing this on a Holosun 510C. And so what we're going to do is go ahead and start by removing these two screws, or this one on this side, and then we're going to pull out the other one on the other side. And this is just going to slip over the front of the optic, and not only, like I said, will it protect it, but it'll also reduce glare and also reduce the flash downrange that this would make if somebody was looking at you in that direction. And so once it slips over just like that, all we're going to do is use the supplied screws to attach it. And so these are actually a little bit longer than the ones that came out of the unit. As you can see, there's a bit of a difference there. And so we'll go ahead and screw those in. I'd probably say go hand tight on this. Don't go muscle it on and go crazy. I'm going to tighten both those up once I got both screws in there. So I'm going to put the other one in here real quick. And then tighten this one down, and that's all there is to it. It's that easy. And now we've got a kill flash installed, and as you can see, very big difference from what we saw before in that reflective coating. And then now I've got a protective barrier on the optic itself, and when we look through the optic, yes, we see that hashed pattern, but I can still see through it just fine without any issues, and I can still see my reticle in there.